Hi guys, it's Rachel from Frugal Deals Delivered. Wanted to show you my new Blue Copper 5 Firming and Elasticity Repair Cream. It is by the Osmotics Cosmeceuticals Company. So here it is. Let me show you this is what it says, the paragraph about it. But what it does, it's firming. It's supposed to help with anti-aging and wrinkles, fine lines. It's supposed to plump and firm your skin. It's blue and it smells very good. You put it on your face after you've cleaned it. Obviously, I still have some makeup on because I'm doing a video and you don't want to see me without makeup. So, but normally you'd want a clean face. You do it on your face and your neck, actually, which is great because we get wrinkles everywhere and we age everywhere. So you're supposed to put it all over. And again, this is what it helps with. You can read it on the listing. Here we go. It smells great. It doesn't, even if I put this on right before I go out somewhere, you're not going to be able to tell. It doesn't leave any firm. It's not crusty. It doesn't make your face feel like, like stuck. I hate that. No, this feels really, really nice. It actually is refreshing. The smell reminds me of a refreshing beach scent, if that helps. But I'm excited to use this and help my face and my skin, which it definitely needs.